Today we're going to unbox this, and then at some point, hopefully soon, I'll be able to play with what's inside. Oh, pretty dragons. I love dragons. I love dragons. Here it is. Armature wire. Lots of tools. And yes, I know what's in the box because, whoops, how could I not? Look at those tools. Another bowl and another spatula in blue. I love me some blue, and another little funnel. Rubber bands. A cool sticker. Oh, look at the shine on that. Popsicle sticks. And a little stirring and pouring bowl. Always love good files. More paintbrushes. These I'll leave in the bag and save for another time. A little palette. Some white chalk paint for your base coats. There are the wing molds. Super excited about the base because the last kit didn't have one. There is the Lazy Susan. It doesn't turn the best, but you know, that's alright. The casting compound. Measuring cup. Bacon bond for cosplay. There's the mold. The mold is in 3 pieces. Which is super intimidating. Silicone and ball tools. Sharp pointy thing with replacements. I'm super excited about the cosplay. I am so excited about the cosplay. The paint and the airbrush. I have always wanted to have an airbrush. I am super excited about this. I've watched other people use it. They all seem to like it. I hope that they're not just blowing smoke up our butts. And here is the giant silicone mat. So yay! I am super excited. I'm stoked. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get into it, but hopefully it'll be sometime this week. So yeah, come back and have fun and watch me play with it.